What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are gonna have a great day today. It is early. It's almost 8 o'clock in the morning. We got to get the upper control arms put on the Nissan, and then I'm gonna try to get the box here. That is the side steps that I got from a company. I'm gonna try to get those installed today as well. There's only one problem when you have a build like this truck and you got to haul something. There is literally no room. So not sure how we're going to get these over to Dad's house. Okay, new plan. We're just going to leave those there. I'll come back here later today and put them on. It should only be like 4 or 5 bolts. Shouldn't be too big of a deal. So let's get going. Here are the upper control arms that I got from Z1. They're just stock 3rd gen upper control arms right from Nissan. So since I threw the last ones away, I had to go order some new ones. These are on Z1 off-road. I think I paid, even after tax and shipping, I think I paid 200 bucks for both of them. So not too bad. Need to stop and get some gas as usual. We have next to nothing. I haven't reset the trip meter in a while, so we've been getting 15.5 miles to the gallon around town. That's been pretty much the standard here, so not too shabby. Put $30 in, got just a hair above half a tank. That's up here at the Wawa, 348. Give me a comment down below. What's the price of gas where you're at? I'm curious. All right, well, we got everything back connected in here. Only one problem. This is the second time, or probably the 4th time total, these cotter pins have been taken in and out, and they're just too messed up, and we can't get them leveled. And anyway, we gotta go get new ones. So we're on the way to AutoZone real quick, pick up some new cotter pins, come back, button this one up, and get started on the other side. All right, guys, we just got back. We got a whole box full here of cotter pins. So we're gonna get back to it. Hopefully the other side goes a little bit smoother. If it don't, we still got a whole box of cotter pins. So let's get back to it. All right, we just got this one put back on. Much better. I could fit, I don't know. In fact, I'm gonna grab a tape measure. All right, here we go. So this is sitting flat now. We're a little over 6 inches from the top. Let me show you the other side. Here's the Z1s. I mean, you're big difference there. So it's gonna be much better. We get this changed out back to the stock ones. The one problem I do see is on the stock one. When we had this wheel spindle full drop, full sag, it is going to hit the coil bucket, but it didn't look to be that much. I mean, it barely touches it. So I think I'll live with that. Then take all the loss on travel from having it hit up here. You can see up here where the Z1s have already bashed through this. So much better. All right, next one. All right, so we got some good news, some bad news. Let me show you. Bad news is we put the wrong control arm on the wrong side. I didn't realize these were labeled. So this is for right hand. We had them swapped. Good news is we realized all that before the other side was completely done. So now we got them on the right side. So now we're about to finish up. All right, little update. We're just about done. We're just putting the bottom bolt here on the spindle on the upper control arm. Every time we go to turn that bolt, the whole unit rotates. So we're trying to figure out a way around that. Every time we go to tighten it, the whole nut here turns with the bolt. So yeah, fun times. All right, just got all set. We're about to head to the alignment shop here in a minute. This wheel is off by maybe about a 1/4 inch. I think we looked at the level. This one ain't too bad. But like I said, we're heading to the alignment shop. Now that we got them on right, look at that. Way better. There's probably another room for, there's probably another inch up here, 1.5 inches. From before, 3 fingers was as far as I could get in there. So that's much better. We should be good on that. All right, look how bad the alignment is before I had it done. Here we go, watch. Oh God. Whew. All right, we're all set. Alignment's done. Much better. 2 of the front tires aren't worn evenly because I waited too long to do the alignment. So it still drifts a hair to one side, but that'll be fixed here soon when I get the new tires. I'm picking up on Sunday, should be getting those installed, so it should be dead on. Let me show you how it is now. Here we go. A little bit of a drift to the passenger side, but again, that's because that tire over there is worn on the outside and not the inside from not getting an alignment done before. But it's a lot better than what it was, that's for sure. Real quick, let's open these up and I'll show you the running boards that I'll probably get installed over the weekend. Yeah, let me open those up real quick. All right, let's open this up here. Let's see. Oh yeah. Should look pretty good. Anyway, little sneak peek of it there. So yeah, that'll probably be going on here over the weekend. So that video will be up in a couple days. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions on the upper control arms or anything like that, leave them in the comments section. I'll do my best to answer them. And we'll see you next time.